A 2-hour food tour in the French Quarter. Learn the difference between Cajun and Creole cookingÂ. Visit some of the most historic restaurants in the French Quarter. Enjoy tasting authentic New Orleans cuisineÂ. Wheelchair accessible. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.